Hello friends, now we see the unit second network theorem in current electricity part 3. In this part we see the first the Thevenin's theorem, next Norton's theorem. These two are the important theorems in current electricity. First, Thevenin's theorem. Statement of Thevenin's theorem. Any circuit of resistors and voltage sources having two output terminals can be replaced by a series combination of equivalent voltage source VEQ or VTH and equivalent resistance REQ or RTH. Any circuit of resistors and voltage sources having two output terminals. If any circuit having two output terminals can be replaced by a series combination of equivalent voltage source it is known as equivalent voltage source VEQ or VTH, that is Thevenin's voltage source, and equivalent resistance REQ or RTH, that is equivalent resistance R or Thevenin's resistance R. Here VEQ or VTH is the voltage across output terminals when the output terminals are open circuited, and REQ and RTH is the resistance measured at output terminals when the output terminals are open circuited and all voltage sources are replaced by their internal resistances. Now here is the diagram. Here we say that the electrical circuit is like this. Here is the output load resistance there. So this total circuit can be replaced by this total electrical circuit can be replaced by series combination. Series combination, this part is known as series combination of this is voltage source VTH equivalent voltage source. If there are more number of voltage sources are there, then all are converted into one voltage source, that is equivalent voltage source VTH or VEQ, and similarly the number of resistances can be replaced by equivalent resistance or equivalent Thevenin's resistance VTH, and both are connected in series, and finally they are connected to the load resistance RL. Here it is given VTH is the Thevenin's voltage, RTH is the Thevenin's resistance. Different steps involving Thevenin's circuit. Remove the load resistance RL and output terminals are open circuited. First we remove the load resistance RL and output terminals are open circuited. Find the open circuit voltage VOC, that is VEQ or VTH across the output terminals. Replace the voltage source by short circuit, leaving its internal resistance behind it. Find the resistance RTH between the output terminals. Now connect the equivalent voltage source VTH in series with the equivalent resistance RTH. Connect the load resistance RL across the output terminals. Now Norton's theorem. Statement of Norton's theorem. Any circuit of resistors and voltage sources have two output terminals can be replaced by parallel combination. In Thevenin's it is series combination, here it is parallel combination of equivalent current. There is voltage, now here it is current source IEQ or IN and equivalent resistance REQ and or RL. So any circuit of resistors and voltage sources having two output terminals, means any circuit having two output terminals can be replaced by parallel combination. This is important, parallel combination of equivalent current source IEQ and IN and equivalent resistance REQ and RN. Here IN is known as Norton's current, RN is known as Norton's resistance, or it is IEQ or R and REQ. Here IEQ and IN is the current at output terminals when the output terminals are short circuited, and REQ or RN is the resistance measured at the output terminals when the output terminals are open circuited, and all voltage sources are replaced by their internal resistance. Now here the same circuit is there. There are number of resistances and voltage supplies are there, batteries are there, and can be replaced by Norton's equivalent circuit. Here the Norton's current source, here the Norton's resistance, both are connected parallel. Here both one end is common, here another end is common, so this combination it is known as parallel combination. So this is Norton's equivalent circuit, and it is connected to the load resistance RL. Different steps involved in Norton circuit. Replace the load resistance RL by short circuit. Find the short circuit current ISC, that is IEQ or IN. Now output terminals are open circuited. Output terminals are open circuited. Replace the voltage source by short circuit, leaving its internal resistance behind it. Find the resistance R between the output terminals. Now connect the equivalent current source I in parallel with equivalent resistance R across the output terminals. Connect the load resistance R across the output terminals. Okay, thank you.